George. I'm also a freshman here.
Can you
I am Mellow last week. I'd like to know from the Sofa.
Zach. Let's go.
RC.
For you.
Alright.
Eli. Okay, it's good to meet all of y'all. Does anyone want me to read the rules to them? Great. So I'll be starting right now. Princeton University Mathematics Competition 2008-2009 Math Bowl question set number 3. Alright, question 1, mathematician. A lawyer and government official by vocation, he made advances in analytic geometry, probability, and especially number theory. Identify this amateur French mathematician whose last theorem posted... Yes.
Fermat.
That's correct. Question 2, science and technology. This procedure, common in molecular biology, was first developed in 1984 by Carey Mullis. As an indispensable step of genetic fingerprinting, it is often used in forensics, in which technique are small amounts of DNA mixed with DNA polymerase to quickly amplify the amount of a genetic sample.
Electrophoresis.
That's incorrect.
RNA replication cycle.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is polymerase chain reaction, although was that...
Yeah, it wasn't planned, just up there 80.
But anyway. Question 4, Princeton. Oh, sorry, excuse me. Question 3. Question 3, mental math. Suppose the Earth is a perfect sphere with a circumference of exactly 40,000 kilometers. In kilometers, what is the length of the 60th latitude?
20,000 kilometers.
Could you repeat that?
20,000 kilometers.
That's correct.
Yes.
Question 4, Princeton. Although Princeton is placed second 10 times, it finally managed to capture first. Yes. That's incorrect. Question 4, Princeton. Although Princeton has placed second 10 times, it finally managed to capture first in 2006 at this contest. What is the name of the premier mathematics competition for undergraduate college students in the U.S.? That's correct. Question 5, advanced topics. Which Millennium Prize problem that states every simply connected closed 3-manifold is homeomorphic to the 3-sphere was proved by Grigori Perelman? That's incorrect. Question 6. Sorry. Thanks. It's the Poincare conjecture, and it's spelled like point. Question 6. Mental math. Calculate quantity 1 plus I and quantity to the 8th.
Yes. 16.
That's correct. Question 7. Random. Humanity is at war with a race of hive-minded insect-like aliens in this book. Originally written to create the characters and setting for its sequel, it ultimately became more popular in its own right. What novel features the main character Andrew Wiggin unwittingly leading an invasion against and destroying others? It's Ender's Game. Okay. Question 8. Science and technology. What does radar stand for?
Radiometric aerial bomb.
Yeah, sure.
How could you not get Endo's game?
question 8, what does radar stand for, is radio detection and ranging. Question 9, mental math. In a standard shuffled deck of 52 cards, what is the probability of being dealt 2 aces in a row? Yes.
4 over 156.
What's the seconds? That was more than 3 seconds.
12, 2, 6, 5, 3.
That's incorrect. The correct answer is 1 over 221. Question 10, games. A zero-sum, perfect information, deterministic strategy game, it has been claimed to be the most complex game in the world. Known as Wei Qi in Chinese and Baduk in Korean. Yes.
Go.
That's correct. So just as a caution, I would try to wait until I look at you at least. Question 11, Princeton. On academic probation and unlikely to graduate, he left Princeton to enlist in the Army. His first published work was criticized by the then president of Princeton University. I cannot bear to think that our young men are merely living 4 years in a country club and spending their lives wholly in a spirit of calculation and snobbishness. Identify this author of This Side of Paradise and The Great Gatsby.
Fitzgerald.
That's correct. Question 12, mental math. How many distinct prime factors does 2009 have?
2.
Yes. Question 13, advanced topics. In number theory, which theorem says that for any prime number p...
Fermat's Gold theorem.
That's correct. Question 14, science and technology. Running from 1965 through 1966, this project saw the United States' first successful spacewalk.
Apollo.
That's incorrect. I'll repeat the question.
Was it over?
It wasn't over. But
There were like 2 seconds.
well,
He did finish.